Chell. So today's video, I'm going to talk about bag. As you can see, I have here with me the newest addition in MCM's family, which is the Toni shopper in Visetos. Here you go. I really love this bag. I am actually a fan of MCM Tote with a top zip closure. Here you go. This is the top zip closure. So we all know that MCM is very popular in this color. This color is the Cognac. And Cognac is the most popular color because they said that it stands out more. I kind of believe it because I really love this color. Let me close up the signature and the leather of the bag. Here you go. Alright. So the signature of the bag and the print of the bag is very clear. And the leather is a Napa leather. I'm not sure if you're very familiar with Napa leather, but Napa is a high-grade leather and it is very soft. Okay. It is also full-grained. So in front of the bag, you will see the MCM gold-plated logo and the keychain ring. The hardware is a 24-karat gold-plated and the handle of the bag is also made with a Napa leather. The inside of the bag is a cotton lash canvas printed by a chain link motif inspired by the MCM's street heritage. So here you go. The inside of the bag has one zip pocket and two open pocket. Now, let us measure the size of the bag. Okay, I'm gonna measure the length of the bag from the bottom, and it measures around 12.5 to 12.6 inches. At the top part, it measures 16.5 to 16.6 inches. The side of the bag measures 6.5 inches. The handle of the bag measures 9.5 inches. And the height of the bag measures 12.5 to 12.6 inches. And this bag has a top zip closure, which I consider very nice as it secures my belongings and I won't be worried and paranoid if my bag is unorganized or messy from inside. At the back of the bag, there's also a back pocket, and this is also an open pocket. Hold on. So here you go. You can put here your cell phone, your keys, or the key wallets. I don't know what you call that, or any flap wallets. By the way, guys, when I purchased this bag, it also comes with the large size dust bag with the MCM logo. So I always keep all the dust bag of my bags. That's because when I don't feel like using the bag anymore, I just put it here to secure the color and the texture of the bag because I don't want it to be dirty. Otherwise, I'm gonna buy again. Just kidding. Alright. And it also comes with this tiny or this little envelope, and this is the 1-year limited warranty of the bag. So let's see what's in this little envelope. So I have with me the special care card for the precaution for discoloration, stain, and abrasion. And I also have with me this 1-year limited warranty card. It says here that this card covers all manufacturing defects and must be filled out by the fashion consultant at the time of purchase to be valid. So, they did not sign my card. Though my fashion consultant gave me her card, this is her card, so I can call her anytime. She told me that if I'm going to change my mind, I can easily return this bag for a full refund. But it depends, guys, okay? So if the bag is still in good condition and it is still saleable, then they can give you a full refund. Otherwise, just keep the bag with you. Okay, and I also have this mini book. I don't know what is this. I guess this is the maintenance guide. So it's written here, this is the maintenance guide. And of course, I always keep with me the price tag of the bag that contains its serial number. Okay, or I mean to say the code. And of course, the price of the bag. And I forgot to mention, guys, that this hardware over here has its serial. So you can see the serial number of your bag here on this hardware. Alright, so that's my full review of this bag. And for me, this bag is very convenient to carry. It's very spacious and is ideal for daily use. There you have it. This is the MCM Toni shopper in Visetos in Cognac color. So I hope you guys enjoy my review on this bag. And on my next video, I'm going to talk about my other MCM bag, which is, ta-da! The Anya Tote Bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you again. Bye-bye!